Hi friends, thank you so much for joining me today for another video. So today I'm really excited to be bringing you a new type of video. I've always been meaning to film a video like this, but I haven't really quite gotten around to it and I didn't really know how to start. But I'm finally doing my first monthly favorite video. So today will be my January favorites video, and I just want to share with you just like a handful of items or products that I've been really enjoying over the course of this month. Some I've been using longer, of course, than others, but I would like to just share it with you guys and, you know, just have a little makeup chit chat. Let me know if you guys enjoy these types of videos. I certainly enjoy watching monthly favorite videos, but I don't know if you guys do, and I make videos for you guys, so just make sure to let me know if you like them, and if you do, I'll just make sure I, try to keep up with like the whole monthly thing. Real quick though, if you are new, I do encourage you to join the Breath of Beauty family because we really are a good bunch. Without further ado, let's jump right into my monthly favorites. So I think I'll just start off by talking about skincare first. For me, where I live right now, it's very cold, it's very dry, so my skin tends to get a little bit flaky, a little bit cracky, and just not a pretty picture. And what I am always looking for is some sort of a lotion or a facial product that will truly give me that hydration that my skin is lacking. And this actually has been a recent discovery of mine. This is the L'Oreal Paris Hydra Genius. It's for normal to dry skin, and this is just basically like a daily moisturizer, and it just says to use every morning and night after cleansing, gently smoothing over the face. This has like a very gel-like feel. It's really similar to that Neutrogena Hydra Boost Water Balm, if you guys are familiar with that. I think I have it. So before I discovered this, I used to use this Neutrogena Hydra Boost Balm, the extra dry skin version actually, because that's what I needed. It's like 20 something dollars, over $21 I think, and this is only like maybe $14. I feel like it works even better than the extra dry version of this Neutrogena balm. All I do is I wash my face, and then right after, like within 30 seconds of washing my face, I take like 2 or 3 pumps of this and just gently massage it all over until my skin absorbed it all, and that's pretty much it. Sometimes that's all I need for that hydration. I don't even use like an additional cream or something. I probably should, but when I'm feeling lazy, I just use this and I still feel pretty hydrated. I really like it, and I've been using it for, I want to say like 3 months now, and I've been really liking it. So if you guys have dry skin like me, or if you're living in a place where it's like super drying for your skin, then I recommend that you try this out because it's not even that expensive, and it looks like it's good for normal to dry skin. So yeah, why don't you guys try it out? I certainly have been really enjoying this product. The next product I want to talk about is just basically hair care, and it's as simple as shampoo. So I've been really enjoying this whole like Garnier is that how you guys pronounce it? Garnier? I think it's Garnier, right? Garnier Whole Blends Smoothing Shampoo. And I've been really liking it. I first discovered it from an Ulta sample actually. It had like a green coconut on it, and it was for like hydration boost or something, and I tried that out for the first time in the sample, and I was like so amazed at how smooth and soft my hair felt afterwards. So I decided to go and buy myself like a full size of the blue one, and I pretty much all used it up. But then with me and shampoo, I usually like to switch it up because I like different scents and different like attributes for a shampoo. So I decided to try out like the olive oil one, which was also really good, and it smelled pretty nice too. And this is my third whole blend shampoo, and it's the coconut oil and cocoa butter extracts. Tames and controls frizzy hair, so I thought this would be really nice for like this winter time. It's like really affordable too. It's like probably $3 or $4 per bottle, which is not bad at all, right? So I've been really enjoying these shampoos, and I recommend it. The next product I want to talk to you guys about are lashes, and I know you've probably, if you're familiar with my videos, you've seen me use these lashes in pretty much all of my makeup looks, and it's the Eylure Luxe Mink Effect lashes. These are in the style Opulent. This is probably one of my favorite styles. My other favorite style is called Baroque, and yeah, I really just love them. They're so fluffy. They give you like that mink effect without being mink and like, you know, making your wallet cry. And this is like, I think $10, which is not bad at all. My other pair that I had, I used at least 10 times, I want to say, before I had to throw it away and it started falling apart. So these have pretty good lasting power, so it's like really awesome, and it's only like $10, and it gives you that really fluffy, beautiful effect. If you want a more dramatic kind of lash, they do have like other styles that are way more dark and more voluminous, way more va-va-voom than these, but I usually use these when I just want that long fluffy lash that isn't too intense and still lets like my shadow look peek through. And I use like the other Baroque one when I want a little more, you know, little more something something, like a little more sexiness, a little more drama. Really have been enjoying these lashes, and I feel like these are just my go-to lashes these days. Like I will reach for these even though I have like a ton of other lashes to wear. These are super comfortable to wear as well, and I've just been really enjoying these. So yes, these are a winner for me. And speaking of lashes, I gotta talk about my DUP Lash Glue. Yes, sorry, this is a Japanese product, but I believe you can buy this on Amazon. It is the DUP Eyelashes Fixer is what they call it, and it's just basically lash glue. And I think they only have like the white colored versions. I don't know if they have dark colored ones. I have no idea. I've never seen them. These are like the best lash glue I've ever tried. So when I usually wear lashes, I have the issue of my inner or outer corners just popping off and just ruining the look. And I've tried lash glue that claim to be waterproof. I've also tried Duo, which is like a really solid lash glue product, but it still gave me the issue of always lifting in the corners. And after I started using this lash glue, don't have issues with the corners lifting. I am so happy with this product. This product is almost too intense though. Sometimes like my lashes won't come off if I don't like gently, you know, rub the band with like a little makeup remover. My lashes will just kind of stay put. So these are pretty intense. If you want your lashes to stay, this will do the job for you. Like your lashes will not come off of your eyes unless you tell them to, and sometimes when you tell them to, they won't even come off. So that's how intense these are, but I feel like it works really well, and that's what I need for my corners not to lift. So yes, I've been really enjoying this lash glue, and I don't think I'm gonna go back to any other lash glue. This is gonna be my go-to. Okay, so I have a couple more products I want to talk about. One of them, it looks so jank, you guys. I've used this every day since I got it, and it looks like so gross. You have like brown blobs in there. The label is all rubbed off, and it's not a pretty thing, but it's worked hard. That's why. This is the Pixie Brow Gel, and I've been just using this after I like pencil in my brows. I just kind of quickly go over them with this clear brow gel, and it gives me like a really natural, like not too intense kind of fluffy brow. Whenever I pencil in my brows and I feel like they're looking a little too like blocky or not very natural, if I run this gel through it kind of gives me that instant feel of like natural brows. So I've been really enjoying it. I feel like it really defines the hairs in your brows and just kind of lightly keeps them in place where it's not like crunchy. This is not waxy by any means. It's literally like a clear gel, and at first I was wondering if it really was doing anything for me at all, and I had to use this for a long time to figure out that it was giving me that little something I needed for my everyday kind of makeup. This would be a very natural, very easy, no fuss kind of a product to use. I really do like it. Alright, the last product I want to mention is a lip product. It's actually the one I'm wearing right now. It's called the L'Oreal Glossy Balm, and it's in the shade Lovely Mocha. So this is like a pretty natural looking shade on me, and I really have been loving this just in my purse whenever I need a little, you know, like a little something to put myself together and look a little more polished. I like using this. It brings a little life to my face without making it super dramatic or anything. It's very natural, so I really like using this for work. This is like a really easy, no fuss kind of a product. Plus it's glossy, so it doesn't like make your lips feel really dry. It keeps them pretty hydrated for the duration of the time you're wearing it. It doesn't really give you like lasting hydration by all means, but when you're wearing it, your lips feel pretty comfortable and they give like a nice, you know, little shine to the lips. And have you guys gonna notice like a theme here? I really like no fuss products. Like I really do, especially for like an everyday makeup kind of girl where I go to work and I wear the simplest makeup but I don't want to look like a rat. Then I really just like no fuss makeup that, you know, I can just throw in my purse, not even have to think about it, and just apply it when I need a little bit of a, you know, a little bit of a something to pull myself together, make myself look more polished. This particular shade just has been my favorite. It's just so natural but so pretty, and yeah, I've been really enjoying it. And this looks really good even without me having to wear foundation, which is why I really love it as well. Alright guys, that's it for all of my January favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed just kind of getting a peek at what I've been enjoying throughout the month. I am excited to do another one in February. Hopefully I can keep it up if you guys like watching it, and if you guys don't like watching it, maybe I'll have to think of other videos to do. But let me know if you guys like watching monthly favorites, and if you enjoyed this, I will be sure to continue on doing my monthly favorites. Again, if you're new, thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it, and I do encourage you again to join the Breath of Beauty family if you haven't already. And if you do, don't forget to click on the cute little notification bell to make sure you're not missing out on any of my future videos. With all of that said, remember you guys, you are beautiful, amazing, marvelous, no matter what anybody else tries to tell you. And please remember that I'm always rooting for you, and I'm so grateful that we are friends. Alright guys, thank you again so much for watching, and I'll hopefully see you in my next one. Bye!